Welcome to Adventures with Captain Ray Kelly. 2025 was a great drone flying year. Here are some of the highlights. Flying with my son Christopher is always the best. Here we're flying in San Pedro, California. And here's some of the Florida crew. Du Bois Park in Jupiter is my favorite place to fly in Florida. And here's Steve Barnett and Ron Brown. The Hillsborough Lighthouse is a great place to fly. Thanks for sharing it with me, Al. The Juno B Pier is another great place to fly drones. And this is a secret spot, but it's right on Jupiter Beach. And that's a turtle nest right there. Ron Brown and myself would always fly at Sawfish Bay Park. This year, Jupiter passed the ordinance you cannot fly drones there any longer. And then it was almost time for the annual South Florida Drone Meetup. Some pilots arrive early for the South Florida Drone Meetup, so we go to different locations to fly. And then it was time for the 5th annual South Florida Drone Meetup. The Hampton Inn and Suites is the official hotel of the South Florida Drone Meetup. The meet and greet is held at Sticks Billiard Club in Stewart, and it's always a great time. Thank you, Bill Ronayne. We had loads of giveaway prizes, thanks to all our sponsors. Two drone pilots from the Margate Police Department joined us. Thank you, Al Cercione, for making those arrangements. It was pretty windy, but a few of us sent our drones up for a nice flight. We were blessed with a beautiful sunrise. Dennis Lovelay entertained us, and Steve Gardner presented us with a UK flag. It was great that we had more children there, and we even had fresh baked cookies. And needless to say, these two giveaway prize winners were very, very happy. Mark Fisher takes the group photo at the end of the day, and hopefully you'll be in it in 2026. On Sunday, we have another day of flying at Dolman Park, right on the beach. I presented Steve Gardner with an American flag. Make plans to join us for the 6th annual South Florida Drone Meetup on April 10th to the 13th, 2026. I have to include secret spot number 1 in this highlight reel. I did a lot of flying in 2025. We started our drive back to New York, but I had to stop at Rockingham Speedway. And then we went to the Hunt Estate in Oak Ridge, North Carolina. That's my cousin Dwayne and Sandy's home. Upon returning to Long Island, I learned there was a missing swimmer, so I volunteered to fly my drone in search for him. Rob Kamada also joined me. There are a number of volunteer drone pilots searching for the missing swimmer.